Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I've got two pair of the Plantar Fasciitis socks, the compression socks, but now these are, I guess if they're sandals, which I don't. This is the bag that it's supposed to come in. This is the bag that's supposed to come in. And I got two pair, and they're for each foot. And I don't wear sandals, but when I'm going around, oh no, yeah. These right here, let's put your hand in. How's everybody doing, by the way? This is Thursday review day. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine, just busy as heck. And this is it right here. So that should be very good for my feet. And as you know, I gave up socks for compression socks. So these are nice when, you know, I want to wear just a regular pair of shoes, okay? And it's really, really hot, but, you know, and I can put these on and my toes will be, I don't know, my toes don't sweat, so I'm okay, but this will be fine. And I got two pair of these. So these go in the sock bag. And this bag is cute. So anyway, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will be back later. I love you. Take care. God bless. As always, bye-bye.